12 therapy. And them give her a book and paper like this. 3 people them are the therapy give her a book and paper like this. And for write pan, and like she for write her name like this. Like she for write her name like this in a straight line. She can't do that. She write her name like so, down. Like she go one different part or one different place. And to back it up, look on the caption them. When she make caption on her story them, look how it go round so the word them. Some different kind of word, itching. You can't understand what she write on the caption like that. Like she post the video and then the caption supposed to say, Bigfoot Erica. She write it like say, Erica, big, CG, some different word in the Bigfoot, you know, which it's supposed to just say, Big Foot Erica. Yay! Look at that. Check mark. She not do it like that. She not write Bigfoot Erica like that. Oh, and another one. And she never write Green Giant like that. She never write the Green Giant like that either. She write it green down the hill. And like so the green spell like this. G-R-E. And like should I put P-E-N. And then the giant goes so. Underscore now. Underscore now for the day now. And then underscore G-O-I-A-N-T giant. Boom! So now when we see the video post, you know, me I say, how much she drive right there, so? What did she say? I think I did she drive say. What did she say? Oh, remember, the therapist say, she right, so, down the hill, because this is how the brain work. See the brain, yeah? Down the brain can't just go cross up on the line. Okay, you know that's how them test it like on a lie detector kind of style. But fear head run up and down so. This is how fear head steer. So when she put up the status them, see there, 0 IQ. Go over there, go look on her status them, but she right back, so she pass me. Green P, GP, giant. Boom, how about that? P fuck was she right. P fuck was she right because of the IQ and the things that we should go through in her life, my love. Remember, you know, this is a woman with a brain like this, so I run up and down. We can't ride on the straight line like this. Wanna control normal people brain. Wanna take over people life. Wanna plant herself on way. Use sympathy. Forget by or use barbaric, loud, obnoxious, vulgar behavior. You understand? To get by in life. She's like Amari. Uncle Ching said Amari really got to college. Amari really got educated, right? But the brain was like this. She tried to deal with we are nobody and this is our brain. Green Giant. Big Foot Erica. But that's how she write it. Like this. Remember, my big foot may have a shoes with name. Christine the idea. When the rains it pour, she let the way out. Remember, Erica, Bigfoot owns IN expensive shoes. Her little foot never wear one of them real. If she don't come out and come fake the blood clean funk, I don't know where them come from. Yes, support brand designed for less, where we get the high-end quality, you know, where we get the good things them from Hong Kong, all over the place. I don't know where it come from. Same place I push shop. Yeah. Same place I push shop. Yeah. So this one with the little teeny foot that's dirty, that want to wash, that stay bad, Right? At the end of a good day, she wanna come try to say she a body shame Bigfoot. I love the Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Green giant. Me and the green giant peas on the house, Sarah. I'm looking at the candidate. If I'm now green giant or a green giant. Fucking idiot. I'm crying.